Okay, student, this example is important for us. If x belongs to open 2 to 3, then find the set containing 2x, 3x, x square minus x, x cube 1 by x. First one, what is given? X belongs to open 2 to closed 3. Or in other words, you can write this one as 2 lesser than x lesser than or equal to 3. First of all, I want 2x. 2x. Directly I want that answer 2x. Each element of this set is multiplied by 2. So A is greater than B. If C is multiplied another side, which is positive, so inequality won't alter. So just I can say that AC greater than BC. Same concept here. So I am multiplying 2. Nothing happened to the inequality because 2 is positive. So 2 into 2 lesser than x into 2 is lesser than 3 into 2, lesser than 3 into 2. That is 4 lesser than 2x lesser than or equal to 6. Means 2x lies between 4 to 6, not including 4, including 6. Or in other words, I can say that 2x belongs to open 4 to closed 6. Okay. So directly I want directly here. I want directly. So x belongs to open 2 to 3. Directly can say that 2x belongs to open 4 to closed 6. Second one. For the same problem, 3x I want. 3x. 3x. Directly 3x belongs to each element of the set is multiplied by 3. 3 positive. Nothing happened to the inequality. So open 6 to closed 9. So x square, third one, x square. X square, interesting one. Each element of this set is raised power 2. So what happened, Anna? Open 4 to open 9. Open 4 to closed 9. Open 4 to belongs to open 4 to closed 9. Understood? What happened here actually? 2 lesser than x lesser than or 3. Each element of this set is squared. Means 2 square lesser than x square lesser than equal to 3 square. Nothing happened to inequality. Okay. Because all are positive. That's why 4 lesser than x less than or equal to 9. Or I can say x square belongs to open 4 to closed 9. So next one. This is first. This is second, third, first, second, third, fourth next. Minus x important. Minus x you want. Means each element of the set should multiplied by minus 1. Automatically inequality will alter. Observe here. 2 less than x lesser than or equal to 3. But I want minus x. I want multiply all the side of the inequality by minus. Automatically inequality will alter. A is greater than B, then AC lesser than BC if C is negative. That's why 2 into minus 1 lesser becomes greater. X into minus 1 lesser than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to 3 into minus 1. So I can write this is minus 2 greater than minus x greater than or equal to minus 3. So important note. A greater than B greater than C same as C less than B less than A. Both are same. A greater than B greater than C or C less than B less than A. Same. That's why I can write this one minus 3 lesser than or equal to minus x less than minus 2. Therefore what I can write here? So minus x belongs to closed minus 3 to open minus 2. Don't confuse. So minus x completed. Next one x cube I want, x cube, fifth x cube. All the elements should be cubed, that is not big problem. So 2 to 3, all elements are cubed. 2 cube 8, open 8. Okay, 2 cube means 27, closed 27, that is x cube. So yeah, this is sixth one, important one. You should keep star marks for that. 1 by x, we know that a greater than b greater than 0, then 1 by a lesser than 1 by b. Means here what happened, Anna? So x lies between 2 to 3. So that is in the form of both are positive only, no? Directly 1 by 2. Reciprocals I want. Lesser becomes greater. Greater than 1 by x greater than or equal to 1 by 3, or directly I can write 1 by x belongs to, first of all, 1 by 3 closed to 1 by 2 open. Okay students, next problem. X belongs to open minus 4 to minus 2 closed, or minus 4 lesser than x lesser than or equal to minus 2. This is the problem. First one, what do you want? 2x you want. I want multiply 2 on all the sides. Nothing happened in equality because 2 is a positive quantity. Minus 4 into 2 less than x into 2 lesser than or equal to minus 2 into 2, or minus 8 lesser than 2x lesser than or equal to minus 4, or I can write 2x belongs to open minus 8, open minus 8 to closed minus 4. Okay. So second one, 3x, similar manner. Just multiply 3, minus 12 is less than 3x lesser than or equal to minus 6, or 3x belongs to open minus 12 to closed minus 6. So third one is interesting, squaring, interesting thing. Squaring, negative quantities are there, squaring. So observe here, number line, here minus 4, here minus 2, here somewhere minus 3. Okay, if minus 4 is squared, it gives 16. Minus 2 is squared, it gives 4. Minus 3 squared gives 9. Okay, so infinitely many numbers are there between minus 4 to minus 2. All those should be square. Among those, minus 4 square becomes bigger one, and minus 2 square becomes smaller one. That's why directly I want to write x square belongs to 16 is bigger one. 16 not there. Minus 4 not there in this intervals. Minus 16 won't be. Minus 16 left side of minus 16 will be. So minus 2 is there. Squaring that minus to 4, 4 will be, that is 4 closed 4. So what happened here, Nana? X square belongs to closed 4 to open 16. This is somewhat interesting one. Once again listen. Number line is given. Here minus 4, minus 2. All these numbers are squared. Minus 4 squared 16. Minus 2 squared 4. 16 only greater than 4. Minus 4 not there in x. Minus 4 square won't be in x square. That's the open interval. So x square belongs to closed 4 to open 16. Okay. Next, fourth one. We need to multiply minus on another side. Inequality will alter. Minus 4 less than x lesser than or equal to minus 2. Now I want multiply minus on another side. Inequality will alter. Minus 4 into minus 1 greater than x into minus 1 greater than or equal to minus 2 into minus 1. This is 4 greater than minus x greater than or equal to 2, or in other words 2 lesser than or equal to minus x less than 4, or I can say that x belongs to closed 2 to open 4. So here you can write directly answer, x belongs to closed 2 to open 4. That is the value of minus x for this problem. Okay. Yeah, next x cube. X cube. Just cubing only. Cubing. All these elements should be cubed. Minus 4 cube means minus 64. Minus 2 cube, minus 8. Minus 64 lesser than minus 2 only on the number line. That's why x cube belongs to open minus 64 to closed minus 8. Okay. Now interesting thing is 1 by x, very important. Always 1 by x is important. Finding reciprocals. Both are negative. That is important. Both are negative. So both are negative. Reciprocal of this should be less than the reciprocal of this. 1 by x belongs to, so this is become the bigger, this becomes smaller, no? That is minus 1 by 2 closer to open minus 1 by 4. That is the 1 by x. Okay friends, next example, x belongs to open 0 to close 9, means that 0 less than x lesser than 9. We want to find 2x. Directly I want to write 2x belongs to open 0 to 18 closed. Next 3x open 0 to close 27, that is not big problem. Squaring also not big problem. Direct like that 0 to 81 closed. This is interesting. Minus fifth one, fourth one, finding minus, same, multiplying minus, inequality will alter. Minus 0 greater than minus x greater than or equal to minus 9, or minus 9 lesser than or equal to x less than 0. So I can write minus x belongs to closed minus 9 to open 0. Okay, next cubing, x cube, not big problem. 0 to cube of 9, 81, 9, 729 close. Yeah, this is important. You can keep several starts for this. So this is important. Some students will make mistakes in this area. So they will write 0 comma 1 by 9. What is 1 by x means? For example, x belongs to open 0 to closed 9. Find 1 by x means most of the students will write 0 comma 1 by 9. That is wrong. Okay, so what is the answer? See, observe here. 0 to 9. This number should be, we want for their reciprocals. Reciprocal of 9 is 1 by 9. Reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 only greater than 1 by 9. Means 1 by 9 only smaller than all in reciprocals. Find reciprocals from 0 to 9. Smaller one is 1 by 9. But what you wrote here? 0 point something is smaller. Not correct. Huh? So 1 by 9 smaller. See, 1 by 9, 1 by 8, 1 by 7, 1 by 9 only smaller one. So 1 by 9 onwards will start our interval. Okay, one important thing. 1 by 9 is smaller one. So what is bigger one? That is interesting thing. 0 right side 0.1 will be. Means 1 by 10 will be. It's reciprocal 10. Oh, in our set 10 is there. But your answer 10 is not there. Open 0 to 1 by 10 is not. 10 will be. Right side of that 0.1, 0.01 will be. No? Right side of 0. Nearer to 0, 0.01. Its its value is 1 by 100. Its reciprocal 100. Oh, 100 will be in 1 by x. Here 1 by 100 not there. 0.001 should be in given interval. Its value is 1 by 1000. Its reciprocal 1000. 1000 will be in 1 by x. 1 lakh will be 1 by x. 1 crore will be 1 by x. Means what happened? Near a right side of near of 0, you need to take value 0.00000 something. Its reciprocal gives bigger value. No? That means we can't find what the biggest value which is there in 1 by x. Means we can say that it is going on to plus infinity. Smaller one is 1 by 9. Bigger one value you can't find. 1 by 9, 1 by 8, 1 by 7, so on up to infinity. That's why 1 by x belongs to closed 1 by 9 to open infinity. Important note, R means what? Minus infinity to infinity. All real number from minus infinity to infinity can be represented by R. Open interval minus infinity to infinity. Because why we wrote open interval means infinity is not a number. It is showing that bigger positive real number. This showing that bigger negative real number. That's why instead of R you can write open interval minus infinity to infinity. So what happened here? X belongs to 0 to 9. The reciprocals will be from 1 by 9 to infinity. Friends, last one, fourth one, minus 10 lesser than or equal to x less than 0 given. So you want to find 2x, 3x, x square all. So first one 2x means multiplying to another side, nothing happened to inequality, minus 20 lesser than or equal to x less than 0, or 2x belongs to closed minus 20 to open 0. So 3x, directly I can say 3x. Yeah, 3x belongs to closed minus 30 to open 0. X square, interesting. Squaring, again I want to explain here. Here minus 10, here 0, here minus 1, minus 2, like that. 10 included 0 excluded on the number line. These are numbers are squared, minus 10 squared 100, minus 9 squared 81, minus 10 squared only bigger, smaller only 0 squared, but 0 won't be, but 0 left side of 0 will be. That's why if squaring all the real numbers, what happened here? 0 less than x lesser than or equal to 100. So I can say that x square belongs to open 0 to closed 100. I think okay. Next one is a cubing. That is not a big problem. Cubing. Directly I can write minus 1000 to 0 open. Yeah, another important 1 by x. Same problem. 1 by x. Here, see. Reciprocal of minus 10 is minus 1 by 10. Reciprocal of minus 10 is minus 1 by 9. Between these two, there will be infinitely many. Those numbers reciprocals are also written here. So on. 0. Left side of 0 minus 0.1 will be. That is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 will be. Its reciprocal is minus 10. Another number will be minus 0.01. Its value is minus 1 by 100. Its reciprocal is minus 100. So one more number will exist, that is 0.00001. Its value is 1 by 10,000, minus 1 by 10,000. Reciprocal is minus 10,000. Means what happened? If you take the values from closer to 0, then what happened? You get bigger negative value. That's why 1 by x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 10. Minus infinity to minus 1 by 10. Understood? Minus 1 by 10 only bigger one here. Minus 1 by 10 greater than minus 1 by 9. This is greater than minus 1 by 9. So on. So what happened? Minus 10 will be minus 100, minus 1000, minus 1 lakh, minus 1 crore. Like that, we can't find a minimum value of 1 by x. So that's why 1 by x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 10. Minus 1 by 10 closed.